third one is Digestion Agni, and it's associated with Pitta dosha. Digestion means sharp or intense. Here, the fire burns too hot, more like a bushfire. The Agni incinerates food instead of digesting it properly. Signs may be you might experience acidity, burning sensation, loose stools, nausea, heat in the body, irritability or impatience, red or inflamed skin. To cool Tikshna Agni, meals favor hydrating and soothing meals. Avoid very spicy and sour food. Don't skip meals, and reduce excessive heat in both your schedule and your environment. Calm evenings and grounding practices help Pitta to settle. The last one, the fourth one, is Manda Agni, and it's associated with Kapha dosha. Here, the Agni becomes dull and sluggish. Everything feels heavy, the body, the mind, even in the mood. Digestion slows, the meals sit in the system longer than they should, and fogginess or tiredness after eating, they become more common. Hands and feet, excess mucus, weight gain, low motivation often accompany this state. Kapha naturally buffers heat, but when it accumulates, it suppresses Agni. It dampens it. One of the most effective ways to revive Manda Agni is to lighten the load. Skipping dinner is the best. It gives the digestive system the space it needs to catch up. And many people wake up in the morning feeling clearer, lighter, and more energized. If skipping dinner feels too much, skipping breakfast is the next best. When you're not experiencing real hunger in the morning. Warm, spicy meals are also helping, lighter portions, and reducing cold, heavy, and oily foods. So from that, Manda Agni regains strength again. And a short, brisk daily walk also helps Kapha to